नमस्ते, सदा खुश रहो बिटिया। I, Jebin Dr. L.K. Sharma, Professor Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. Today, our topic is Gram Sabha and its meeting and village panchayats. Gram Sabha and its meeting. There shall be a Gram Sabha for each panchayat circle consisting of the person registered in the electoral rolls relating to the villages or the group of villages comprised within the area of panchayat. There shall be at least 2 meetings of the Gram Sabha every year, one in the first and other in the last quarter of the financial year, provided that upon requisition in writing by more than 1/10 of the total number of members of the Gram Sabha, or if required by the Panchayat Samiti, Jila Parishad or the state government, a meeting of a Gram Sabha shall be held within 15 days of such requisition or requirement. In the meeting held in the first quarter of the financial year, the Panchayat shall place before the Gram Sabha A. The annual statement of the accounts of the preceding years. B. The report of administration of the preceding financial year as required to be submitted under the provision of this Act. C. The development and the other programs proposed for the financial year. D. The last audit report and replies made thereto. In the meeting convened in the last quarter of the financial year, the Panchayat shall place before the Gram Sabha A. The statement of expenditure incurred during the year. B. Physical and financial programs undertaken in the financial year. C. Proposals with regard to any changes made in various spheres of activity proposed in the meetings held in the first quarter of the financial year. D. The budget of the Panchayat as prepared under the provisions of Panchayati Raj Act of every state and tax proposals of the Panchayat. Now we shall discuss about the village panchayat or gram panchayat. Every state has an act made under the constitutional provisions of 73rd Amendment Act 92 for a formulation of PRIs, Panchayati Raj institutions in their state. Establishment of Panchayat. The state government may by notification in official gazetted declare any local area or a cantonment board constituted under any law for the time being enforced to be Panchayat circle, and for every local area declared as such there shall be a Panchayat. Every Panchayat shall by the name notified in official gazetted be by a body corporate having perpetual succession and common seal, and shall subjected to any restrictions and conditions imposed by or under this act or any other law have a power to acquire by purchase, gift or otherwise to hold, administer and transfer property both movable and immovable, and to enter into any contract, and shall by the said name shew and be shewed. Composition of Panchayat. A Panchayat shall consist of a Sarpanch and directly elected Panches from many wards. Duration of Panchayats. The Panchayat shall hold a office up to the year of 5 years. Electoral rolls and electors. For each of the ward of the constituencies into which area of Panchayati Raj institutions is divided under this act, there shall be prepared and maintained in prescribed manner by or under the supervision of the State Election Commission and electoral roll thereof. The qualification for the election as a punch or a member. Every person registered as a voter in the voter list of the Panchayati Raj institution shall be qualified for election as a punch. Oath or affirmation. Every member or chairman or deputy chairperson of a Panchayati Raj institution shall before entering upon his duty as such make and subscribe before the competent authority an oath or affirmation in the prescribed form. Sarpanch and his elections. Every panchayat shall have a sarpanch who must be a person qualified to be elected as a panch and shall be elected by the electors of the whole panchayat circle in a prescribed manner. Procedures for the elections of up sarpanch and establishment on panchayats. Every panchayat shall have a Upsarpanch. On the establishment of the panchayat for the first time under this act or on its reconstitution or establishment thereafter, a meeting of the panchayat shall be called immediately by the competent authority, who shall himself preside over the meeting but shall have not right to vote, and in such meeting Upsarpanch shall be elected. Resignation. The Sarpanch and Upsarpanch and Panch may resign his office by writing his under his hand and addresses to the Vikas Adhikari. Power, functions and duties of Sarpanch. The Sarpanch shall be responsible for convening the meeting of Gram Sabha and preside over the such meetings. Be responsible for convening the meetings of Panchayat and shall preside over and regulate such meetings. Be responsible for the maintenance of the records of the Panchayats. Have the general responsibility for the financial and executive administration of the Panchayat. Exercise administrative supervision and control over the work of the staff of the Panchayat and other officers and employees whose services may be placed at the disposal of the Panchayat by any other authority. For the transaction of the business connected with this act or for the purpose of making any order authorized thereby, exercise such powers, perform such functions and discharge such duties as may be exercised, performed or discharged by the Panchayat under this act or rule made thereunder. To furnish to the state government or officers in charge of the Panchayat such reports, returns and record, whether the periodical or otherwise as may be prescribed, as may from time to time be called for. Exercise such other powers, perform such other functions and discharge such other duties as the Panchayat may by resolution direct or as government may by rules made in this behalf prescribed. Powers and functions and duties of Upsarpanch. Upsarpanch exercise such of the powers, perform such of the functions and discharge such of the duties of Sarpanch as the Sarpanch may from time to time subjected to rules made by in this behalf by the government delegated to him by ordering and right. In the absence of the Sarpanch, due either to his office remaining vacant or otherwise, exercise all the powers and perform all the functions and discharge all the duties of the Sarpanch. Exercise such power, other powers and perform such other functions and discharge such other duties as the Panchayat may by resolution direct and government may by rules made in this behalf prescribe. In the absence of both the Sarpanch and Upsarpanch due to either of to their offices remaining vacant or otherwise, the power, functions and duties of the Sarpanch shall be exercised and performed and discharged by the such elected members of the Panchayat, and in such exercise performed discharged by such elected members in such a manner competent authority may direct. Meetings of the Panchayat. The Panchayat shall meet for the transaction of the business as often as may be necessary, at least once a fortnight at the office of the Panchayat, and at such time the Sarpanch may determine. Functions and powers of the Panchayat. Subjected to the such conditions as may be specified by the government from time to time, the Panchayat shall perform the functions and exercise the powers and specified in the first schedule. Assignment and functions of the Panchayat. The government may by the notification and subject to such conditions as may be specified in such notification transfer to any Panchayat the management and maintenance of a forest situated in the nearby Panchayat area. Make over to the Panchayat the management of the waste land, pasture land or vacant land belonging to the government situated within the Panchayat area. Entrust such other functions as may be prescribed, provided that when any transfer of the management and maintenance of a forest is made under clause A, the government shall directly that any amount required for such management and maintenance or an adequate portion of the income from such forest be placed at the disposal of the Panchayat. The government may by notification modified the function assigned under this section. This is all about the Gram Sabha and village Panchayat. If you're facing any problem, then write a comment on comment box. Thank you.